Hi, my name is Tammy Colon and I'm from Pasito School. A question that I often get asked is how can you help your child to learn more Spanish and how can you help them to be speaking more Spanish at home? So I'm going to share a couple tips with you of different things that you might be able to try. One tip that a lot of parents try is for bedtime is always choosing a Spanish book. It's just part of the routine, part of the bedtime routine. Bilingual families, they'll typically choose one Spanish book and one English book, and then you're able to read both languages in bed at night. Another idea you can try at home is just listening to music in Spanish. There are a ton of great children's Spanish music artists out there. Some of our favorites include Jose Luis Orozco, Victor Hugo Sanchez, Charlotte Diamond, and there are just so many out there. I always like to sing songs with the children and make songs up as whenever they're needed to wash their hands, to put on their shoes, take off their jackets. I always like to have music on, Spanish music on in the car when we're driving around town, just for some nice background music. Another tip that a lot of parents try to increase Spanish exposure at home is just switching the audio setting on your TV. Media isn't a great way to be practicing language because it is very passive, but if you're going to be allowing your child to be watching TVs and movies, flip it in Spanish. Plaza Sesamo is a great Sesame Street in Spanish. There's also, I know on Netflix and on Apple TV, you can just switch the audio setting to have all the movies come out in Spanish if that's an option. So there's a couple of tips for you to try out. Thanks for tuning in. If you have a question you'd like me to talk about language learning and in early childhood, please leave it below in the comments. And we'll see you next time. Visit us at pasitoschool.com.